Okay, so we're making this video with this 52-inch Palermo. This is the one in the kitchen. I've never actually thought to make a video of this one before. So yeah, it's not the light. This one is not dimmable. It's the remote. I don't know why it has all these marks there. I think we did it because like this one and the one in the living room used the same remote, so we just had to know which one's which. There's an easy way to know, like the one in the living room has the reverse button, but this one does not, and you just have to like sort of press into it. There's low speed. So yeah, this fan's a nice fan. Looks lighting. It's kind of high for a kitchen fan, but yeah. Put the light. Okay, in the next video. Okay, now there's medium speed. So yeah, this is a fine film, so there's a crack in the lights. The light dome, but yeah, I don't think that's fixable. Just with the light. Now there's high speed. It's really like fast on high speed. There we go, the light on. Oh, wait, walk through just to see. I just want to see if you're gonna get caught in the. No, you're not gonna. Okay, time to turn this thing off now. Is there something wrong with the receiver? There is a closer to it. Let's just almost like try to get this light off. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.